Sa tingin mo, bakit kailangan mas mataas ang boses?
Boses mo pagkausap mo yung pet.
Matakaw, sweet.
Maldita?
Actually, tatlo doon. We grow in harmony together regardless of our definition.
True.
Professional ako!
Petmara Podcast.
Happy Pride Month, everyone, and welcome to the episode 3, season 3 of the Pat Mara podcast. Today's episode, it's all about authenticity, self-love, and a beautiful connection that shapes who we are today. Joining us is Mike Celis, a celebrity life coach, author, motivational speaker, host, and anchor of Rainbow Radio, the Philippines' only LGBTQIA-themed program on mainstream media under Radio Pilipinas. He's helped thousands navigate self-worth, healing, and life purpose. But today, we're diving into a more personal side of his life and his fur babies, and how they've influenced his journey of growth, love, and authenticity. Without further ado, let's welcome Sir Mike Celis.
Hi! Thank you for having me.
Gusto mo yung English na yun ang
Oo,
una?
tuloy-tuloy kinabahan ako.
Hindi ko gusto talaga yun, kaya lang ito yung nakalagay sa script.
Kailangan natin minsan sumunod.
Minsan sumunod. By the way, Sir Mike, gusto ko lang sana sabihin na ang ganda-ganda ng damit mo. Kaya na ko pang gusto sabihin.
Damit lang.
Sige, give ko na yung mukha din.
Pwede, di ba?
So wala bang konting compliment dyan nung nag-makeup ako para sa iyo, oh?
Kailangan yan.
Yung, how about my mug?
Di ba?
Ganda
Putok
rin.
na putok ang ano.
Hoy, huwag mo naman i-ano. Grabe naman. Ano yung bukayo? Nabukayo mo naman masyado yung mga viewers natin. I thought, kakala pa man din ng mga viewers natin dito, ano pa, like it's natural beauty. Binukayo
Yun na po.
mo. Binigay na!
Binouch na natin yan.
Binigay na. Sige sir, before tayo maging personalan at
Hindi ba
tayo.
ilagay na
Before tayo mag-deep dive into our conversation, onting icebreaker muna tayo. So, okay, let's go. This is the game of guilty or not guilty.
Mapanakit?
Ayan. But on this game, as for our icebreaker, gagamit tayo ngayon ng flag.
Okay, so ito.
So, itataas natin yung guilty. So, samahan na lang din kita. Tapos, gagawin natin, sabihin natin, if it's guilty, tataas natin. And if not guilty, hindi natin tataas.
Paano kung conditional?
Paano conditional?
Halimbawa, hindi ko sure.
Paano
Semi.
gagawin natin yan?
Ganun lang.
Sige, ganun lang. Sige, gawin natin. So,
sige.
conditional is just in the
Yes.
center.
Kasi minsan hindi tayo sure.
Para may gray area tayo, yes.
Para controversial.
And if we're guilty, tataas natin.
Sige.
And then, kapag hindi naman,
wala.
baba lang. And
Sige.
then, let's just share a little bit of story why we are guilty.
Oo.
Yes. Okay, the first one. Guilty or not guilty? Talking to our pet like they really understand and we're expecting an answer. Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty! Guilty!
Sige, ganito. Paano mo siya kinakausap?
Gusto mo ba yung actual
Sige,
conversation?
actual, kung paano.
Ayoko na gamitin yung boses. Aminin nyo, meron tayong pet voice, di ba?
Nandito yun eh, pinangunahan mo naman. Ay, Doc.
Sorry
Mike,
naman, sige.
Yeah. Sige, so sample lang muna ng paano mo siya kinakausap.
Actually, very human-like.
Yeah.
Pero may pet voice nga kasi tayo.
True.
Huwag mo na naribulgar yun, di ba? Exclusive para sa kanila yon.
True.
Pero kasi sometimes when you're left alone with your pets and you have something on your mind, syempre it's good to share it naman. Whether or not your pet responds, what is key here is that you feel that you're not alone. Kasi that saves you from the emotional stress. Yan.
At ang laking tulong din nila ha. Like yung example, like the moment that you talk to them and wala ka mang maisip man na like if you know that they're not they will not respond like yung words, but you know that they're really talking to you. And that's the connection that you have that's the connection with your fur babies na the both of you will only understand.
Ano ka ba? Laking tulong ng meow. Di ba? Parang, hindi ba? Di ba? Bilang meow. Okay na yun. Di ba? Yun na yung hinihingi natin. Di ba?
Nung kinakausap ko siya, sabi niya, meow. you know
yun
na
yun,
ang
gets mo.
ang daming
Oo.
layers ng meow na yun.
So I think yun yung mga madalas na na-overlook ng mga tao.
Yeah.
Yung value of just having something or someone
Yeah.
to speak to at your lowest points.
Yeah. Okay, next natin. Saying na, last na treat na to pero ending up more treats. Guilty or not guilty? Neutral.
Magamit lang. Magamit lang.
Yes. O sige. Why? Why
neutral?
neutral?
Because ako, sabi ko nga, naman ako, lovingly pushy na disciplinarian pagdating sa pets ko. Meaning, I want to create a routine for them.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Yung parang alam din nila pag sobra na or because you have to set boundaries also. Parang
That's
tao
true,
din naman
that's
yan.
true.
Pero, pag sobrang cute sila, and alam mo, and you did something good na ikakatuwa
Yeah.
ako. Yes, tuloy-tuloy yan, Ali mukbang to.
True!
Mukbang to. Pero pagka on normal days, parang hindi, may hangganan.
Yeah.
Kasi of course, as a pet owner, you also have to be responsible not only for their nutrition, but also your budget also.
True.
Hindi naman pwedeng isang bagsakan, ay wala na, nasa na yun, di ba?
True.
So, yun.
And actually, makakasama din sa kanila if maraming treats na ibinibigay sa kanila.
Oo.
Kasi it may cause obesity as well. Tapos,
Pero ang misconception ng ibang tao, pagka obese ang pet, cute.
cute,
Diba?
true,
Hindi
iba
yun,
pang
delikado po
conversation
yan.
yan. Yes,
Oo.
let's be cautious dyan for parents kasi hindi lahat, especially ang daming complications na pwedeng ibigay if yung fur baby natin is nag-start ng maging obese.
Ayun.
So let's be careful with that for parents, okay?
True.
Okay, next natin. May mga racket ka, pero yung fur baby mo na sobrang cute, may mga moments na na-cancel mo na yung racket na yon. Guilty or not guilty? Oh.
Professional ako!
Period.
Period. Hindi, ang point ko doon, kids, pambili ng pagkain nyo to.
True.
Di ba? Pampag-groom nyo to. So, kailangan natin to. Di ba?
Yes. Kahit gaano ka-cute, kailangan magtrabaho ni...
Totoo. Unless kasama kayo sa shoot.
True.
Di ba? But in some cases kasi,
Yeah.
of course, as much as I want to bring them,
Yeah.
may mga studio, di ba, may mga taping or
Yeah.
any mga engagements na hindi
Restrictions.
pwede. Oo. Plus, to keep them safe also.
Yeah.
Because you don't know what's
Yeah,
there.
that's
So,
true.
So, ako no.
As much as you want to bring them,
Oo.
we have to be prepared din kasi may mga moments like yung especially mga cats.
Correct.
They cannot tolerate yung pag-change ng agad ng environment.
Saka yung stress,
Nasa
di ba? So
That's
ako
true.
yan, brands, tandaan nyo, professional ako.
Professional, si Sir Mike Celis. Okay, next. Having more photos of your pet than your own selfie. Guilty or not guilty? Mas mataas. Oh, neutral! Surprisingly!
Pantay! Pantay!
Ganda to, no?
Ganda! Kailangan sa trabaho naman kasi,
True.
di ba? Since we do content for brands and
Yeah.
I'm in broadcast,
Yeah.
so minsan kailangan din talaga, pag nagpapas ka, halimbawa sa mga network or mga rackets, ganyan,
Yeah.
kailangan ng fest. Hindi naman pwedeng mukha ng pet ko yung ibibigay
True.
ko, di ba? But I have a lot, not to the point, ang phone ko, di ba may mga categories sa
Yeah.
iPhone? Meron ng pets and something. So, nandun na silang lahat. So, yun. Ganon. But marami.
Sa akin, mas marami yung photos talaga ng fur baby ko.
Talaga.
As in, from time to time, like picture. Every time kung anong ginagawa nila, picture
Oo,
ako.
diba?
Kasi ganun ako
Tapos
ka-obsessed
proud
dun
na
eh.
proud ka pa, di ba?
Proud na proud ako.
Oo, gumulong lang yan, okay.
True. Picturean mo lang ako. Ay, talent!
Totoo.
Picture!
Oo.
Normal lang naman na behavior na ginagawa nila yun. Pero you
totoo.
thought it's talent because you know, you're super proud. Ako ganun naman ako. Like, every action na gagalawin nila, picture. Picture.
Ako, what I learned from that part
Yeah.
naman is that dahil nga mahilig din ako magpicture ng pets
Yeah.
ko, di ba? Kung wala naman akong ginagawa,
Yeah.
I learned to enjoy the moment per se rather than taking pictures. You know why? Because sometimes when you're looking for the right angle, you rest out on missing dun sa yung moment talaga.
The moment.
Kasi na masyado kang nag-focus dun sa angle
Sa
ng picture.
picture,
Oo.
yeah.
So ako, gusto ko, sige, ayan, hindi ko makuha ng picture, magulo
Yeah.
ka, pero cute ka, I'll let you be. Rather than magagalit, wait lang, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun.
Mhm.
So, I think that's something you should consider also.
Yep. I see that as well, yung Sorry, Sir Mike. Pero doon natin na-differentiate talaga. Sorry ha. But
Kanya-kanya tayo opinion dito.
yeah, the age.
Oo.
Kasi
Oo.
you cherish the moment.
Correct.
And as well as kami naman, like yung
We cherish the
generation naman namin.
picture.
We cherish the moment but we make sure that
May resibo.
may resibo. That's very important.
True naman, oo. Gusto natin resibo, kaya lang blurred minsan pag masyado maganda yung moment, di ba?
Kailangan natin ng resibo.
True naman.
Yes. Government. Oy! Let's be careful. Okay. Next. Using a completely different baby voice when talking to your fur babies. Guilty.
Wala pa. Oo na.
Same.
Oo na. And for some reason, I'm curious, no?
Yeah.
Sa tingin mo, bakit kailangan mas mataas ang boses mo pagkausap mo yung pet?
Actually, hindi ko rin
Di ba?
maintindihan. Bakit automatic?
Baby!
Ayaw,
Baby, happy!
Tapos may jargon ka na
Bakit
binubuo.
ganon?
Hindi ko rin maintindihan.
Diba?
Sino nag-set ng standard na
Hindi ba pwede
dapat?
mababa? Baby. Di ba pwede? Di ba pwede?
That's true.
Di ba? Pag-isipan nyo yan.
Pag-isipan natin kung sa inyo dyan for parents, pag-isipan ninyo ay comment ninyo sa comment section bakit kailangan mataas yung tono mo pag kinakausap mo si fur
At
baby.
hindi lang isang octave, mataas na.
Higher octave.
Head tone.
Baby, cute,
Baby!
di ba?
Di ba?
Cute ko dito.
Bakit?
Oh,
At paulit-ulit, di ba?
Exactly.
Kung ako yung pusa, mabubuisit ako. Di ba? But come to think of it, bakit? But again, that's the joy of being a fur parent. You get to laugh at yourself also.
True.
Yeah.
I think yun yung mga yun yung parang isa sa mga energy and emotion na binibigay ng fur baby natin sa atin.
Bukod sa voice training.
Bukod sa voice training, there's like an invisible energy that they're giving kung bakit lumalabas yun.
Because even the toughest people actually use baby voice when calling their pet.
True.
Diba?
Wala siyang gender.
Oo, true.
That is something.
Hello, Pride Month.
Hello, Pride Month. Now, I think it's about time that we deep dive into
Sayang
our topics.
naman.
Sayang naman. Ayaw na lang, magchikahan na lang tayo. Huwag na lang huwag na lang dito topic na.
Akala ko tuloy-tuloy lang to.
Eto na, wala tayong choice. Babasahin natin to.
Sige, go.
Ngayon, sige, actually, nakalagay dito, it's about personal growth.
Sige.
And it's kind of interesting din naman.
Oo.
So, yeah.
Pwede na.
Sabihin na natin to para matapos na. Ayan, lagay dito, as someone who teaches self-love. Interesting naman. Self-love, more self-love. Yes. As someone who teaches self-love and healing. Because you're a life coach as well. How have your pets contributed to your personal growth? Interesting question.
Oo. I think they serve as anchors or my inspiration for doing even better.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman sila kakain if I don't do good. Ganun na naman.
That's true.
Ganun na naman kasimple.
Yeah.
May binubuhay ako.
You have to get
at marami po sila.
Ilan?
Ngayon?
Yeah.
So, 7 adult cats and then meron akong 7 kittens na kakalabas lang.
14?
So, oo, 14.
Yeah.
So,
cats,
paano?
puro cats lahat?
Ha?
Puro cats lahat sila?
Cats. Oh, and then I have 1 dog.
So 15. Wow.
But the dog naka-separate kasi
Yeah.
baka lamunin yung cats ko. Diba? Paano
Oh
naman
my gosh,
yun?
kailangan ka talaga natin
Oo.
magsipag.
So, kailangan talaga natin magsipag. But in another sense of it, nakaka-inspire kasi that when you get home, someone's waiting for you there eh. Di ba na parang regardless if you've had a bad day or a good one, they would be there to celebrate with you.
That's
so
true.
sa akin, parang it helps me push forward na parang, hindi, may kakampi ako. Isang meow lang yan, okay na ako, di ba? So parang ganon.
Actually, kahit hindi lang yung meow eh. The moment, di ba, na parang you're feeling down or whatever, like you're feeling exhausted because of the whole day kung napakahaba man siya. Upo ka lang minsan. Ako, sa akin ganito. May sofa ako pero I don't really sit in my sofa. Doon ako sa sahig. The moment na nakaupo ako sa sahig na, yung pusa ko pupunta siya sa akin and then magkakaskas siya ng katawan. Yung body language ng pusa pa lang natin na gano'n, na parang yung, hi, kumusta? Wala siyang sinasabi yung action pa lang niya, it's already comforting.
Actually, may sinasabi siya, yung treat ko.
That's
You're
true.
back. Anong
Hey.
uwi mo?
Hey,
Ganon.
hey, put! Nasa na yung treats ko? Ang tagal kitang
Kumita
inantay.
ka na ba? Ganun yun eh. Ayun.
Sa akin naman, feeling ko ang naturo naman sa akin ng mga fur baby ko when it comes to self-growth. So kung sa'yo, kailangan kong tumayo. Ako yung fur baby ko when it comes to self-growth, if you'd ask me. Of course, unsolicited naman to. Pero yung fur baby ko, they taught me of moving on and move forward. Because I've been through...
Cue in sad music.
Eto. Kasi yung fur baby ko, I had like really sad breakup.
Tissue? Mag-shift na po tayo ng programming natin, no? Counseling and coaching program.
Yes, please! Pero I've moved on. Mayroon akong partner ngayon. And sobrang pogi. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
Ayan tayo eh.
At DAKS siya, mami!
Hindi ko sasakyan yan kasi!
Kasi yung career ko!
Ayaw natin ng memo.
But anyway, yung mga fur babies ko. Naka-move on ako because of them. And mas naging positive yung kung paano ko tinitigan yung life. As in sila yung nag-comfort sa akin, yung mga moments like that. Na parang no, I was so down.
Correct.
But they were there. And sila yung pinaka nag-uplift ng energy ko na parang to move forward. Because they're there. And even though parang hirap na hirap ako sa mga moment na yun, they don't judge me. They just listen.
There's what you call kasi na mga emotional support animals.
Yeah.
So some cats and dogs can actually serve as such. So ibig sabihin nito, for people who are struggling when it comes to their emotions o kaya may pinagdadaanan, yung comfort na binibigay nung paglapit lang sa'yo, kagaya yung sinasabi mo, and their purring actually helps you heal as well. So I think that's why.
Yeah.
Yan.
Thanks to my fur baby. Thanks to our fur babies.
Wag lang naman sa kanila, pati sa jowa, di ba?
Yeah.
Wala na itulong yung jowa for baby.
Move on tayo sa mga jowa-jowa na yan.
Oh.
But I'm happy now. Sorry sa mga gusto pong magtanong dyan kung single pa ako. I am not. Masasakal po tayo. Uy!
No. Tuwing kailan? Uy!
Okay, moving forward.
Sige,
Okay, next naman natin. Kasi kung saan na tayo mapupunta nito, nasa sakalan na eh.
Ako, hindi po ako yung nagsabi nun.
Ay, ako po nagsabi nun. Protecting him as well. Okay, have your pets help you through your difficult times? Especially na-mention ko rin siya kanina. And can you share like a moment?
I think, common kasi sa atin, no? Pag break up, alam mo yung umiiyak ka sa bahay.
Sure.
And then bigla ka lalapitan talaga nitong mga pets mo. Ako, imagine, meron ako group, di ba? Group na lumapit during my last breakup. And it actually helped a lot. Just by them being there, alam mo yun, parang nakapalibot sa'yo, not necessarily, alam mo, nakasnuggle. Yun nando lang, yung feeling mo you're not alone. I think yun yung value of having a pet, whether isa lang yan or group sila. It's all about knowing that you're not alone. Because in the absence of friends, these are the animals who would love you unconditionally. They don't see you as a broken person. They still see you as someone that they love.
Perfect. Aww.
Thank you. Tapos na po.
Tapos na po. Let's end this podcast. Okay, next. What life lesson have you learned from them that you now share with your clients or your audience?
Oh my God. I wish I read the blog I wrote about one of my my cats which passed on already. So, ang dami ko life lesson. Pero ang isa doon was finding the simplest joys. Di ba, ang mga pusa, bigyan mong kahon, masaya na yan. Di ba? Bigyan mo ng kung ano mang bilog, lalagyan ng anything. Di ba? Tayo ba pag binigyan ka kahon, sasaya ka? Hindi, di ba? Yeah. But finding the simplest joy, wherever you are, you can actually make yourself feel better by choice. So I think that's very important right now, whether you're a pet parent or not. You to find what sparks joy in you, regardless of how difficult the situations may be.
I love that. Thank you.
Thank you again. Tapos na po.
Ang ganda no, like yung sinabi ni Sir Mike that let's be happy on like a simple thing.
Diba? Yes. Kasi sometimes, social media or the people around us make us feel that we're inadequate or something's
True.
lacking in
That's
our
lacking
life.
in us.
Oo.
Yeah.
But in reality, if you look within or you just look around you and become mindful na parang, uy, oo nga pala, wala akong sakit.
Yeah.
Oo nga pala, may baon ako.
There's so much to be grateful
Yes,
for.
exactly. And having pets is such a blessing that you should be grateful for.
I love. And the Miss Universe 2026.
And the new co-host for this podcast is me.
Oh, thank you, Sir Mike. That's a noted. Next natin. Do you think your relationship with your pets reflects how you treat yourself?
I think so. I think so. Because I don't treat my pets as, alam mo yun, animals per se. I treat them as part of my family. And I can only be good to myself as much as I am good to others also.
True.
So it's more of giving them what they need and want and
Yeah.
actually assuring myself that I also allow myself to receive.
The
And not
same
just
thing.
give. Exactly.
That's true. Aww.
Yeah.
It's the same thing sinasabi ni Mama Ru. If you can't love yourself, how in the hell you're gonna love somebody else?
Amen to the patron of our kabaklaan.
True.
Yes.
Love ya, Mama Ru.
Uh-uh.
Okay, next po natin. This is about pride, identity, and safe spaces.
Okay.
This one tackles about how pets can become safe space in our lives. This is in this Pride Month. How does being part of the LGBTQ community shape you and the way you love and care for your pets?
Okay, I don't think my gender has anything to do with loving or caring for my pets in such a way that would be different from others who genuinely love their fur babies. I think it's more of just allowing them to let them be, diba, their pets. You cannot expect much from them, diba? So we should lower expectations, just come from a space of love and understanding that eventually they're doing their best with all that they have and all that they are, and that would be more than enough.
Yeah. Actually, di ba, we have this saying na yung mga fur babies natin is the only animal, it's someone na mas mahal pa nila yung ikaw kaysa mas mahal nila yung sarili nila.
I tend to get teary-eyed when watching videos sa TikTok, yung parang mga last moments ng mga cats na parang yung parang take care of them because at the end of the day, kayo lang yung world nila, ganyan. I could definitely relate having, alam mo yun, through the years, of course, may mga pets kang namatay. Yung parang mga last moments na matatandaan mo, the cat tried reaching out to you or went to you before die. Alam mo yun, bago siya magtago. So, it hits differently.
Yeah, that's true. And may mga moments din na parang di ba? Minsan hindi lang tayo aware. Kasi di ba mga sinasabi nila kapag yung mga fur babies or cats especially, if they are about to go away na, like they're about to die, may mga moments na lumalayo na sila, they isolate.
Totoo yan. Ayan yung mga moments before na para I wish I had known. Alam mo yun, yung para akala ko nagtago lang and then yung palang pagstay niya doon sa door ko ng mas madalas. Akala ko nung maharang lang siya dahil gusto yung treat. Hindi pala ganun. So it's really about reading between the lines and being sensitive enough na parang, what does my pet need?
True.
Diba? Wag natin i-take for granted because you might not know it might be the last moments of your pet.
That's also a reminder sa mga fur parents natin na na you have to really know your fur babies. Kasi it's yung mga behavioral change daw nila. Minsan it's a manifestation of something. That's why you really have to know like your fur babies kung paano siya kumikilos, they're a creature of behavior kasi
Alam mo I wish it was that easy though, but for cats kasi minsan, they don't really show any signs. Unlike dogs. Dogs, alam mo agad pag matamlay. Ang cats, hindi. So based on experience, parang, may sakit na siya. Ba't ganito na? Sabihin nung vet na parang, kasi hindi po nagmamanifest agad yan. And then there are some na parang biglaan. Diba? Na gano'n. But I think it's more of just being consistent on how you choose to care for your pets and not be mindful na parang, hindi, wala yan. Mas maganda po na medyo praning na tayo ng konti, diba? Rather than nonchalant tayo when it comes to them.
And kapag minaramdaman sila for parents, wag na kayong kung ano pang check online because we all know that information we get online is just really accessible. Like, you search on TikTok at iba't iba yung maririnig natin.
Totoo yan.
Iba't iba yung yung mga like informations. It's really the best the moment na maging praning tayo. the moment that they encounter something, like may behavioral change, dalihin agad sa vet. Isa yung reminder sa atin for parents that it is a responsibility to have fur babies, to have like a cat or a dog or whatever.
Yeah. That you should be ready for it.
You should be ready for it, yeah.
And siguro, alam mo, reminder ko lang sa mga viewers and listeners natin right now that it's more expensive if you delay the treatment rather than at the onset.
True.
As in.
True.
Yan.
At saka mas na-expand natin yung lifespan ng fur babies
Correct.
natin the moment na dalihin agad natin sa vet.
Oo.
We highly discourage yung mga lagi namin sinasabi with our vets, yung home treatment, yung home remedies. Because
mga paasukal? Yung mga
paasukal, papainumin na kung ano-anong Yakult.
Diba? Oo.
Na guys. The moment that they feel something, we love them. Ito rin siya, parang as a celebration of the LGBT, we know the love that they give us, that they that they offer their love. If we want that kind of love and we want to keep that, i-prolong natin yung life nila.
Yeah.
By bringing them sa vet right away the moment that they feel something.
Yes, because you know what? Having a pet is a responsibility per se. It's not just nice to have.
Yeah.
So the moment that you agree to have a pet, you must be ready for that responsibility.
True.
It's not conditional.
Yeah.
It's something that you should be willing to abide for because that's being fair to your pet who has been there for you.
That's true.
Diba? Ever since.
That's true.
Yeah.
Okay. Next po natin. Would you say your pets became a safe space for you at any point in your journey?
Hindi naman nila chinismis yung mga sinabi ko sa kanila.
True.
So I assume.
That's true.
So I assume, yes, of course.
Yes.
Diba? If you just want to get something off your chest.
Yeah.
Diba? And you know that it wouldn't, alam mo yun, get out.
Yeah.
Diba? Tell it to your pets. But
Yeah.
but then again, do not let your emotions get the best of you as you tell it. Baka galit ka, nagalit ka rin sa
Sa
kanila,
fur babies
diba?
mo.
Oo,
True.
hindi po sila kasama doon sa sa
Yeah.
drama nyo. But what I'm saying is, if you just want to get it off your chest,
Yeah.
diba? Tell
You
it to
can
your
share it to your fur
Yes,
babies.
yes, oo.
So they'll be listening.
Oo.
And you know na parang, kasi coming from the experience, you know na ang laking tulong ng mga fur babies mo. They don't speak,
Oo.
but the moment that you share your, yung sinasabi nga ni Sir Mike, na you just wanna get out of your chest lang and you talk to, so you need someone to talk to, you have your pets. As in,
Yes.
they're your furry little allies.
And they sense if you are feeling something,
True.
'di ba? Na parang medyo off. Kasi sanay yung mga animals natin
Yeah.
with the routine or how you use your voice.
Yeah.
Halimbawa, kung hindi mo na ginagamit ang baby voice mo
True.
at medyo nagka-crack-crack na ganyan,
True.
mararamdaman nila 'yon and you'd be surprised they would approach you.
Yeah.
And sometimes, what my cats do when I have a very stressful day,
Yeah.
I noticed that some of them would, alam mo yan, pag nakahiga ako, papatong sila sa chest ko
Yeah.
talaga. And their purring actually helps me heal.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So, every time I finish a session,
Yeah.
mga ganon. So, I noticed they would come around and
Yeah.
then just be there. Yun. Their way of helping out. May
True.
not be in a verbal sense.
Yeah.
'Di ba? But it helps.
True.
Yeah.
Yep. Keep up. Next, for people who may still be struggling with acceptance, how can pets help them feel seen or less alone?
Your pets never judged you for who and what you were to begin with. So, why make it an issue?
True.
Yun lang.
Yep. Period.
Diba? It never questioned what you've been through or what you're going through at the moment.
Yeah.
It only knows that you are the person that takes care of them and that they're willing to love you for who and what you are.
Well, they will not judge. Wala silang pake kung mahirap ka. Wala silang pake kung mayaman, kung bakla,
Yes.
whatever.
Yes.
Kahit criminal ka actually.
Oo.
Mamahalin ka ng fur baby mo unconditionally.
Basta may pagkain ka.
Well,
Dagdag
plus
yun.
the food.
Oo, diba?
Plus the food.
Oo, dagdag yun.
Yeah.
Oo, yun. Bonus, pag gusto yung mahalin ka lalo treats.
Yeah. Well, I have a question. Do you have a partner? Sorry.
I'm dating.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Pero may mga moments ba that like yung partner mo like they or he visited your place and then dahil because of his like connection or kung anong ginagawa niyo with your fur babies, with your cats. Nagsiselos ka din ba na minsan mas nagiging close yung mga fur babies mo sa kanya rather than to you?
No, I have always believed in having a relationship that, alam mo yun, encourages one another and supports
Yeah.
one another. It's actually a plus point that my partner, if ever, would build a relationship with my cat
Yeah.
because I need someone who would love not only me, but
Yeah.
the people around me. So, cats included.
Yep. Period. I love. Kasi sa akin lang merong ganun eh, like my healthy selos.
Oo.
Na parang, bakit ako yung nagpapakain sa inyo?
Ayoko kung sumagot dyan sa point.
Ako yung kasama nyo dati. Ako yung nagsishare sa inyo ng mga ganito. Tayo yung magkasama dati. Ngayon dumating to, tas mas close kayo sa kanya.
But contrary to that experience, ako mas nakikita ko, lalo na kung may ibang tao,
Yeah.
and even the person I'm dating, mas malapit pa rin. Sa akin nga siya nagtatanong eh,
Yeah.
ba't ikaw lang nilalapitan? Ba't sa'yo lang tawag nga niya sa akin cat whisperer.
Yeah.
Eh. So, may yung ganon.
Well, good for you good for you, Javi.
Ang perfect.
Good for you, Javi. Ako nga pala, sorry. This is his name. Like both of us, 'di ba? Super bold. Ano kami. Yeah. Also here, I
gusto ko
had
yan.
this tattoo because we're gonna have this podcast.
Oh.
Just so you know that I feel honored to have you here.
Oh.
This is a new tattoo.
Sorry, wala akong tattoo. Cat scratch. Okay lang ba?
That's okay. Valid na yun. Yeah, just saying na we're very happy that you're here.
Thank
Extra
you.
honored and extra challenge for me. Sabi ko noon, paano ko sabihin si Mike Celis? Seryoso kayo?
Bola, oh. Hindi pa siya ready niyan.
Hindi to ready. Also, nung kasi nakikita ko kung paano ka like sa TikTok, I've been really checking your accounts and your videos and how you talk to your client sa Rainbow Radio. Tapos kung paano sino pa yung mga guests, parang wow, extra challenge.
Iba naman kasi to, di ba?
True. For pets, food, gano'n naman siya. That's why, yeah.
Saka iba kasi kapag anchor ka,
Yeah.
saka pag guest ka.
True.
Pag guest ka, pwede naman to.
Pwede yung nipis-nipisan lang.
Nipis. Ganda.
Okay, sige. Next natin. I love this question. What does unconditional love mean to you, and how do your pets embody that?
I think looking at you with no judgment and no expectations, I can perfectly equate it with the way pag feeding time.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, they just wait. Hindi rowdy yung mga pets ko. So, meaning, whatever I serve to them as I prepare their food,
Yeah.
they're just there. Wala yung parang, ay, yan na naman, hindi kakainin or whatever. Walang ganon, di ba? They patiently wait because they trust that you would only give the best for them.
I love
And I never fail them with that.
Especially they're very judgmental.
Totoo.
Cats.
Totoo.
Most especially.
Lalayasan niyo yung food pag hindi bet.
And if it's new food, ganon.
Totoo. It takes time.
They're very judgmental. Their look,
Totoo.
uy, kumain ka, girl.
And ang siguro yung unconditional love dun is really the trust, no? That
Yeah.
they know and they would wait. Ako kasi very routine base nga ako. So, at a specific time, alam ko na 5 a.m., mayroon na mag-scratch sa door ko. 'Di ba? Kailangan maggigising ka na, no? Magpe-prepare ka na. And they would just patiently wait. They
Yeah.
don't jump up and grab their food or
Yeah.
alam mo, mag-ngiyaw na parang hinaharas ka ng
Yeah.
Walang ganun.
Oh, that's good. How do you discipline them, really? Like,
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba, boundaries. Kaya nga ako pagdating sa trees, you did a good job, ganyan.
Yeah.
But I just tell them, you have to raise your voice sternly ng konti.
Yeah.
Okay, without shouting. That's
Yeah.
what worked for me.
Yeah.
So meaning, before, admittedly, lalo yung mga kittens, di ba, tatalon-talon.
True.
Or kaya,
Very energetic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganyan. So you raise your voice a bit, and then just tell them straight, no, and then ililipat ko sila.
Yeah.
Meaning, no, baba ka.
yeah.
Ulitin mo, no, baba ka. So, it becomes a program for them.
For them.
Oo. So, I don't hit them. I don't, shout
Yeah.
at them.
Yeah.
It's really showing them what
Yeah.
needs to be done because that maintains the trust.
Oh, that's perfect.
Try mo yan.
Ang galing kung paano mo siya ginagawa.
Trainer!
Actually, well, you're a cat whisperer.
Oo.
Kasi ang hirap nilang i-train,
Totoo
especially
naman.
yung cat din.
Siguro, lucky lang din ako that my cats, I mean, the breed I keep are Maine Coons.
Yeah.
So, they have very good temper.
Oh.
Yun.
Ang lalaki nila, and they're 7, plus may kitten
Correct.
pa.
Ewan ko, baka anong ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. And I started with one cat. I fell in love with them.
I know how it feels.
Oo,
Yeah.
diba?
I just have 3 cats kasi. Pero oh my gosh.
Diba?
Yeah,
Grabe.
at iba't iba sila ng personality.
True yan.
That's why I can only imagine how do you handle 14 cats?
Imagine mo kung iba pa boses mo pagkausap sila, di ba? Nakakatakot. Di ba? Schizo atake natin dun sa part na yun. Oh.
Yeah. For me lang
Oh.
sa iniisip ko lang, yung sa like behavior,
Oh.
like they know they're a creature of behavior and you
Oo.
keep on, oh no, ganito, ganyan. It takes a lot of patience kasi hindi lahat meron nun na ituturo sa kanila.
I guess that's what your pets teach you in general. To be patient with them and to be patient with yourself because
Yeah.
they can only grow as much as you allow yourself to grow in harmony with them.
Grabe naman yung lahat nalulusutan niya. Ang galing, no? Thank you,
diba?
sir.
Oo.
Ang lala nung lahat, like you're really you're really a life coach. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, next po natin. This is about balance, life, and purpose. Okay, you have a busy life, and we all know that. And how do you balance being a public figure and a hands-on for parents?
I always spend time with them before I leave the house.
Yeah.
Before and after upon arriving. So,
Yeah.
meaning, pag kittens pa sila, because may schedule sila.
Sure.
Kasi may schedule. Halimbawa, ito, pagkatapos ko maligo, ito munang 3.
Yeah.
Tapos ito, I bring them to my room and then cuddle with them quickly. Paggabi, ganun din.
Yeah.
So, paggabi, nakakatawa, sila na mismo nag-schedule. Meron
Yeah.
papasok sa room ng isa, lalabas ng isa. Ganon, as in. And I make sure, ito what I learned pala, ay pagka pala kittens, maganda rin na hinahawakan mo na sila agad.
Yeah.
Because when they grow up, they don't shy away from people. Kasi pag hindi sila nahawakan or hindi sila na-nurture ng maaga, their behavior, they automatically become shy towards others and mas mahirap silang kunin. So, that's what I learned. That's why, kahit short time lang, halimbawa 30 minutes, nandiyan ka, maglaro ka dyan sa room, sige, laro tayo, ganyan. Afterwards, tapos na yung shift mo, they willingly, go out. Ganon. So, I think it's really about keeping a routine with them and finding time no matter how short. And ako pa, before I leave the, halimbawa, hindi ko nagawa dahil sobrang busy. I explain to them. Gets ba nila? Hindi ko alam. Pero ako, I just want
You
to.
talk to them.
Na parang, wait, busy ako. Bukas, bawi ako sa But I don't know. But that's just me releasing the guilt. Because as a fur parent, you can also have guilt. When you're not able to provide the time that your fur kids want. Diba?
Yeah,
So I think it really helps also so that it doesn't put a strain in the relationship.
True.
It's not whether they understood or not. It's whether you did your part or not.
I love!
Yan.
Oh my gosh, I'm learning a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you for the free consult for this free
No, thank you to my fur kids who
Yeah.
helped me learn all these.
I
Diba,
love.
through the years. Yeah.
Sa akin din, I would really apply that. Kasi of course, that's true eh. May guilt ka na hindi
Oo.
mabigay sa kanila yung
Diba?
time na yun eh.
Oo.
Because you're busy, hindi naman, di ba? Hindi naman lahat kasi gusto mo
Oo.
talaga mag-alaga. Pero hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon mabibigay mo talaga yung time sa kanila eh.
Totoo. But you owe them the explanation whether or not they understood.
Yeah.
It's not really about that. It's
Yeah.
about you doing your part
Yeah.
because that's your part as a fur parent.
But I do really believe that when you talk to them, they understand.
True. Dead mga lang sila minsan.
Dead ba lang talaga? Especially cats.
Totoo. Gets nyo ba? Wala. Nakatingin sa... True yan. Enjoy sila dito. No?
In fairness, they na-enjoy talaga ng mga staff natin here yung pakikinig. I think this is the best podcast na na nakinig kami ng ganito.
Please capture that on tape. Go.
Like it's like basic conversation but we're learning a lot of things. Like in life and in fur babies like fur parenting.
Kasi what you want for people around you is to understand it at the very core. Meaning ko ano lang yung totoo. We don't need very scientific mga jargons na hindi natin alam kung saan galing, di ba? But rather, is it really honest? Is it coming from experience?
Yeah.
That's how you build the connection, whether it's with your pets or the audience that we have now.
Or that you can also apply with your pets. Grabe na no, parang uwi ko. Lahat na lang sinasabi pwede nilang i-apply sa life. Nothing i-apply sa life. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Yeah. Such an honor. That's why nagpatato talaga ako para sa iyo.
Ay, kasi yung cat scratches ko, meron din ako. Pero hindi lang kakulay, pero meron naman. I call them love scars.
Oh.
Oo.
Yeah.
From
Accidental
cats.
kasi from cats. Yeah.
From cats.
Okay.
From cats. Because sometimes hindi na, yes, may anti-rabies po ako.
yeah.
Oo.
Oh, yeah.
Oo. Because sometimes hindi mo maiiwasan, especially the
true.
kittens.
Yeah.
I mean, the kittens are notorious. Wala pa yung sense ng so doon, admitted.
They're very active.
Oo.
Kittens
Totoo.
are very active. Minsan hindi talaga naiiwasan na may tatalon.
Oo.
Baka
But they don't
mo-scratch ka.
mean it. Alam
Yeah.
mo agad yon na parang after nun, bati na naman kayo,
Yeah.
diba? So,
Yeah.
unlike dogs na they feel a bit of guilt,
Yeah, may guilt
cats
talaga.
Wala. Oh, utang na loob mo pa pag pinansing ka ulit. Di ba?
Yeah.
Oo, ganon.
Yeah, pero thank you Sir Mike na na-mention mo yung about sa anti-rabies. It's also an announcement to all our fur parents na magpa-vaccine kayo,
Yes.
ipa-vaccine mo rin si fur baby mo.
Yes.
Okay? You have to go to your vet or to para sa iyo of course dun sa may nearest hospital because it's very crucial. The moment na pumasok na yung rabies, sa system mo, it's dead end for us already. And also to your fur babies.
True.
Especially ngayong walang season po ang ang rabies. Sabi ng mga vets namin here, wala siyang whether it's summer, whether it's tag-ulan or whatever, laging nandun laging may interference ang rabies.
Correct.
And as simple as yung scratch because they lick their paws, may rabies yon. So, but it's also misconception, guys, na automatically a kitten has rabies. Okay? Misconception po yon. Misconception
Malamang
yun.
ni-research ko yan, di ba?
True. Sa sobrang dami pusa.
Ingat din tayo, di
True.
ba?
Pero ibig sabihin that doesn't mean na hindi po kayo magpapa-anti-rabies. Magpa-anti-rabies po agad-agad, go to your nearest hospital, ABC Animal Bite Center, para po kung sakaling po kayo, kasi kami dito po that of course for pets, marami kaming mga naririnig or mga nakikitang mga news or mga informations we get na yung binaliwala nila yung mga simple as scratch.
Especially if your cats or dogs are sa outdoor sila.
Outdoor, true.
Oo.
That's true.
Careful.
Let's be careful. Even indoor, okay? Whether that's indoor or outdoor, kailangan po nilang makumpleto yung rabies vaccine po nila.
Yes.
Do your pets influence how you define success or happiness today?
Not necessarily.
Yeah.
Kasi I've always believed that to each his own. So my pets have their own definition of whatever makes them happy or
Yeah.
perhaps successful in their own way.
Yeah.
I also have my own. But what matters is that we grow in harmony together regardless of our definition.
True. Period. Oh my gosh, I love. If your pets could coach you, what do you think they would say?
What could you do differently now? It's all about challenging yourself and, always keeping your eyes on what's next for you. You cannot just stop kasi it feels comfortable or familiar
Yeah.
as of the moment. If you have more to give, then give it your all and do it differently.
Wow! Thank you.
Diba? Mga coach din sila.
Yeah, true. Next,
Ah.
what advice would you give to people who want to become better pet parents while also working on themselves?
I think it's always reverting back to the main reason why you got a pet in the first place. 'Di ba? Why were you looking for that companionship, that love? And if you're willing to give that kind of companionship and love, then everything will fall into place. You don't even have to try so hard.
Wow. Just go back to your root.
Diba, having a pet hindi lang yan pang status symbol o kaya
True.
pang display
Pang posting.
lang. Oo, pang clickbait.
For the clout.
mga ganyan. For clout. Hindi yan ganun. It's a responsibility. It's like having a kid also. But if you find joy in it, ano ba yung bigger purpose niyan? If you want to feel whole again, if you want to heal, if you want to feel the love that you've never experienced in this lifetime, then maybe it's all about, allowing yourself to receive and giving it back to them as well.
I love. Happy Pride, everybody. Next. This is about light and heartfelt. Describe your pets in 3 words.
Collective?
Collective.
Matakaw. Matakaw, sweet, and ano pa ba?
MMM.
Maldita?
Maldita?
Actually, tatlo doon. Matakaw, sweet, and I think I'd like to put loving na lang din. Very loving. Oo.
Mapagmahal.
Mapagmahal. 3 M's na ba?
3 M's.
Ano yung sweet? Matamis. Oo.
Matamis.
Hindi nag-register.
Matamis,
Sige, go.
matakaw,
3
at
M's.
mapagmahal.
With additional maldita for the 3.
Plus 1.
I think yun yung best description sa kanila.
Yeah.
Kasi in general, if they like what they're eating, and thank God they like, diba? Yung mga kinakain nila, they're very much mukbang every day.
Yeah, true.
Diba? Sweet in their own way. Of course, when you're, alam mo yon, when you're there with them, yun nga yung sabi mo yung irarub nila yung sarili nila sa'yo. Okay, abutin yung face mo. May mga ganun ako. Nag-zoom call ako sa client. Inaabot yung face ko, lumilitaw yung paw nung cat. O kaya, na ini-interview ako sa network, merong cat na biglang lilitaw dito na siya naupo. So yung mga ganung klase. And then yung mapagmahal naman, just being there. Every morning, I have 3 male cats who would go on top of my table and wait for their kisses.
Aww.
Every morning, nakapila silang tatlo. Yung mga babae ko parang, andyan na siya. Etong tatlo, nakapila sila. As in their own space. And then until I kiss them, they would not go down the table. Ganon. So yun. I think yung simple joys na ganon.
Oh, that's so
Diba?
cute.
Yung good morning.
They're really creature of behaviors na uulit-ulitin nila yung mga bagay,
totoo,
no? And you, hahanap-hanapin mo rin yung bagay na
So,
yun.
ang catch doon, kapag inuna kong pakainin, kasi I also have an arwana doon sa pag inuna kong pakainin yung arwana ko, at nilampasan ko yung table, nakatingin sila lahat doon sa So, it's really, alam mo yun. So, alam mo na, ay, hinihintay talaga nila. So, what I do, I make sure na minsan kasi nakakalimutan ko kasi
True.
baka gutom na isa.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
At yun din yung sad part kapag hindi na, yung fur babies naman natin, we all know na hindi naman sila, like, they don't live that long. Like, as much as we want them to live like kasing haba ng buhay natin. Hindi talaga. And yun yung bagay na hahanap-hanapin mo.
True. I mean, with my cats, which, alam mo no, left this world na, nasa rainbow, na sila, Rainbow Bridge na sila.
Rainbow Bridge.
I used to remember, his name is Miyuki. Ayan, if you're listening, wow. Di ba?
Miyuki?
Miyuki.
Hi, Miyuki.
Oo, si Miyuki, na binili ko siya out of a whim. Wala akong balak bumili ng pet noon. Nakita ko siya may gold necklace.
Yeah.
Na suot. As in, I don't know, parang binili ko siya just because he's the cat who would go, non-stop to he would go every single day. The moment I open my door, pupunta siya sa kama, nandun lang siya.
Yeah.
Manunood lang siya ng TV with me.
Oh, that's so
Every
cute.
single day. So when he got sick naman, nung time na yon, I remember, nung nilagay na namin siya, dala namin siya sa vet, he just let out one loud cry.
Yeah.
Na parang goodbye to everyone else around him.
Yeah.
And that was it. He died. So, it was a memory na parang, wala na nang manunood ng TV with me every day. Na pagpasok ko, ganyan-ganyan. Alam mo yun, nandun siya. And there was this time, even, a few days after he died, ito, real story to Hello, welcome to KMJS. Okay, real story. I was supposed to go abroad.
Yeah.
And my flight was early morning. I woke up from a dream seeing that kasi meron akong TV and then meron parang mga nakalagay dito yung mga display ko. Seeing na si Miyuki was walking there dun sa likod. So nagising ako dun sa ingay. So ako bang ganyan. So sabi ko ganun, Miyuki, bakit? It didn't, register na deads na nga pala siya.
Yeah.
And then when I looked at my watch, I almost got late sa flight ko.
Yeah.
As in, nakahabol na lang
Wow.
ako like 45 minutes before because I made a call sa lahat.
Yeah.
And that was a flight a few days after na So if I didn't wake up to that sound and
Yeah.
seeing, as in literally, alam mo, I cannot really explain what
Yeah.
happened, but it was that. So, yun. So I totally believe that, your pets are still with you even in the afterlife.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, to give you signs and perhaps, alam mo yun, hope that everything will be fine. They take care of you.
Yep. And a lot of times they saved us.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Do you also believe in that? Kaya na
Okay, namatay yan. Kasi,
namatay siya because they try to save your life, like magkaroon ka ng sakit or an accident or whatever.
I mean, through the years, my family has brought me up with that
Yeah.
context, di ba? Pag may namamatay na pet, or even, with my arwana din, parang
Yeah.
bigla lang, laki-laki, biglang na deads, na
Yeah.
parang, happy tayo, di ba? Bigla ka na dead. And then you would realize, a certain turn of events would show you na, ito ba yung reason?
Yeah.
Kasi halimbawa, munti ka ma-aksidente yung mom ko nung time na yan, then my arwana died suddenly.
Mhm.
So parang, ito ba yun? Parang ganon. So you get to connect it. I'm not sure,
Yeah.
but I don't eliminate that idea.
That's true. It's not yet backed up by science, but it's still possible.
Oo.
Because again, lagi sinasabi, 'di ba? Yung mga fur babies natin, they love you more than they love themselves.
Oo.
And they have this kind of power that connects, like it's like Wi-Fi. You don't see it, but they do something like a magical things in your life, and it's also possible
Totoo.
that that na inaalay din nila minsan yung life nila para ma-save yung something.
I think the context here is that whether you believe in it or not, it's the kind of relationship that you have with your pets that matters most. That is what would save you.
Period.
So yun.
Period. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's true. It's really the manifestation, like the manifestation of your relationship.
Yes. Everything that happens around you, whether people believe it or not,
Yeah.
it's not for them. It's for you.
It's for both of
Oo.
you.
Yan.
Period. Sir Mike, this is like different topic na pumasok lang siya sa isip ko because we also wanna promote yung spaying and neutering. And since you have 14 cats now plus 1 dog, how do you promote spaying and neutering?
Actually, ito nga, accidental na lang yung pagbubuntis nung cat ko na
Yeah.
tatlo. Itong last na na bunch na to. So I intend after nilang magpadede, 'di ba? Kasi kawawa naman yung mga babies, iinumin nila.
True.
Papaano ko na spay na agad
Yeah.
ng para noon
Yeah.
tapos na. I mean for them then at malaking ginanda nung cat ko na spay. As
True.
in, and naging sweet ha, lalo.
That is true. Kasi natanong ko rin yan, Sir Mike, sa mga vets namin, mas nagiging sweet nga talaga yung mga cats.
Totoo.
Or yung mga dogs.
Oo.
The moment na magkaroon sila, mas
Grabe
or
ang
neuter
glow
sila.
up niya.
True, yung glow up
Yung
din.
glow up niya. Sobrang, kaya lang medyo kasi be ready lang para sa mga listeners and viewers natin
Yeah.
that grabe yung care din, post-op care
Yeah.
na kailangan. Kasi like in my case, it was like 2 weeks of non-stop putting medicines.
Yeah.
Also, ganyan-ganyan.
Oh.
But it'll be worth it afterwards if, alam mo yun, huwag mo lang pagsabay-sabay. I don't intend na pagsabay-sabay yung tatlo
True.
kasi maloloka ako na.
Yeah, true.
Iba kasi everyday lilinisin mo rin yung wound nila. You have to give them their meds on top of your other for parent duties. So
Yeah.
I guess do what you can.
Plus, if they're asking if it's expensive, guys, may mga libreng kapon.
True.
Ang dami pong mga organizations like the Philippine Animal Welfare Society, they offer free kapon. May
Quezon
mga
City.
low-cost kapon din. Yes.
Kasi city government just posted right now,
Yeah.
kasi nga kakampi natin yan
Yeah.
sa community natin, that they're offering, for as long as you're a QC resident, you can register your pets and
Yeah.
bring your QC ID
Yeah.
and they would be neutered for free.
Wow!
Yeah, QC residents.
Information.
So yan.
So yeah, sa mga QC netizens po natin dyan, yes, just provide ulitin ko lang yung QC ID po natin. And
You can visit their Facebook online to check, and I'm not sure, but I think I read also
Yeah.
that they give out free anti-rabies vaccines.
Definitely. Actually, marami po yan. Si PVDNA, Philippine Veterinary Drug Nutrition Association, they also have programs for mga anti-rabies vaccines, even yung mga low-cost kapon, guys. So, you just have to search. It's available.
Correct.
Kasi kapon ang solusyon para ma-neutralize po natin yung pagdami din nila at magkaroon na ma-neutralize din po natin yung rabies, kapunin po natin sila. Dumadami sila sa kalsada, the more po na mas dumadami po yung rabies. That's why we are campaigning kapon at the same time anti-rabies vaccine. Okay, listen, okay? Thank you. Yes, sige po. Next. Cute na tanong. Yeah, but who's the boss at home? You or your pets?
Depends. Depends. Most of the time, I'd like to consider myself as the boss. Meaning nga, I train them well. However, when they play their cute eyes, alam mo yung mga tactics nila na pa-cute. Sige na nga, dagdagan na natin yung food. Sige na nga, isa pang treat, di ba?
True.
So, yun.
Sige na nga, mas masarap na food yung bibigay ko ngayon. Sige na nga, mas lagay ko ng karne.
Correct. But what I train them the most is syempre sa furniture naman, lalo na pag cats. Hindi lang naman balat ko yung in-scratch.
I was about to ask
diba?
that. Because they kept on scratching everything.
Lahat.
How do you train them?
Bukod doon sa mga ini-spray na ginagawa, minsan tinatakpan ko yung furniture mismo ng mga items na hindi nila pwede i-scratch. And then I would just remove it on certain times na nandun ako.
Yeah.
So, again, behavior is controlled pag binagawan mo sila ng routine. And then I allot yung mga space. Halimbawa, may cat tree sila na malaki talaga. Na yun, pwede yung scratch magsawa kayo dyan. Bukod sa mga scratch pads nila na iba. So I really think it's more of just conditioning their behavior that would help you prevent it. But is it 100% effective? Not necessarily. Even the sprays are not 100% effective. It's really just being patient about it and try getting yourself scratch-proof furniture instead.
Yes, period. Totoo yan.
Diba? Ayoko kasi nakakulong naman sila ng lagi, 'di ba? Kasi naawa ako eh, 'di ba? So, 'yon, ganon.
Also, ano ko rin to, nasabi din kasi sa namin ng mga vets din namin malaking tulong din para hindi sila masyadong mag-scratch at matulungan po yung behavior nila. Yung spaying and neutering, malaki talaga. Ang daming yung factors na makokorek.
Yes. Bigla ko inisip yun na pa-neuter. Okay.
Kasi nagbabago yung behavior nila
Yes, bumait.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, even yung mga yung pag-scratch po, as in malaki, 'di ba? Marami minsan nag-viral siya merong like fur parent na na in-scratch niya. I think na siguro hanapin na lang natin tapos ipakita na lang natin dito sa podcast na to. May isang fur parent na in-scratch niya na yung pusa niya like nagre-resist na siya. Sinascratch niya ng pusa niya like hindi na siya pinapakawalan because sabi daw doon yung like may mga vet na nagsalita. And heat yung pusa ganyan tapos naamoy may mga ganun kasi talaga like yung hormonal changes ganun na factor din siya sa mga pusa, may mga ganun po. So kapag ka para maiwasan po natin yung mga incident like that, yung may mga vet na nagsalita, ipa-spay and ipa-neuter po natin sila.
Okay.
And that also applies dun sa mga furnitures natin. Yep.
Basta, scratch-proof.
Scratch-proof. At ipag-groom din ninyo. Malaking tulong din po yon.
Ito, hindi pwede to.
Hindi to pwede.
Wala to. Sandali lang to.
Kita mo to. At nag-e-enjoy sila. Sa akin, sa akin kasi bumili ako ng bed frame. Tapos yung bed frame ko po kasi like, ganda ng yung texture niya. Ganyan. Pero iniwasan ko na yung mga leather. Pag nakita ko siya, minsan pumapasok yung pusa ko dyan, nasa pinakatuktok yun sa may headboard.
Yun talaga. Masanay na
tuwa ka pa. Parang, pinapakita? Nagsuscratch ako, Sinisira ko yung mo.
ang goal ko ako, on a personal note, sabi ko nga, naghanap lang ako ng interior design kasi I want to redesign my unit. I would have you been to Podium recently yung sa Pet Express doon?
Yes.
Okay, yung may glass enclosure.
Yeah.
I want that. Oo. Parang nakikita ko pa rin, pero hindi tapos medyo maluwag siya. Hindi siya yung cage lang na, syempre gusto ko maganda pa rin yung...
Ang ganda nun, that's cute.
So, that would fit in 7, I assume yung na-dispose ko na yung mga ibang cats, no? So, yun.
Sir Mike, gusto ko rin ng Okay, pwede pa ako magdagdag.
Sobrang pet ko yung nandun sa Pet Express na
But since you're planning na
Oo.
Ready pa ako, maluwag pa yung bahay ko. Kaya pa ng isa, kaya pa ng isang Maine Coon. I love fur babies. I love fur babies. And I'm saying that because I know that I can.
Oo.
Like, I am ready financially, emotionally.
Ako sa totoo lang, ang cap ko naman talaga, sabi
Yeah.
ko 8 kasi feng shui.
Yeah.
Yun lang talaga, 7 pa lang technically, dagdagan lang ng bagets.
Yeah.
So meron pa.
Meron pa. True.
Oo.
Oh. You believe in ano pala, in
Oo.
a lot of in feng shui.
Sobra.
Next pa natin. What's one thing your pets taught you about love that humans sometimes forget?
I think love has to be compassionate. Yun kasi, yung parang sometimes it's hard to understand bakit sinira mo yung sofa na yan, bakit di mo ako pinapansin, bakit ganyan. But to really understand na parang, oh wait, the cat did not mean it.
Yeah.
Diba? To have that sense of forgiveness without questioning why, just because you love the person or the animal. I think
Yeah.
that's a beautiful lesson that can actually help us.
Oh. I'm putting myself in a situation.
Diba?
And I can see that. Like, may mga bagay talaga na yun. Tapos may ginagawa din minsan yung mga mahal natin na they didn't mean that. Kaya lang nagkakamali
but
sila.
the thing here is that it's not about, diba, why the person did it. It's what you can do afterwards.
Yeah.
Diba? And how
How
much
you dealt
love.
with that.
Yeah. How much you love the person enough for you to actually just forgive. And alam mo yun, take it from there. What can still be done.
I love. Our pets are really teaching us to be a better person.
Oo. Diba? Pero may mga taong mabait sa pet pero impacta in person.
True.
Diba? Pero what's the difference? Yun eh. Sabi nila, diba, if you have pets, you tend to be a kinder person. Not true po. May iba akong kilala. May iba akong kilala. Maraming pets.
Well, at least kung sakali man na hindi talaga sila mabuti in person.
Baka hindi pa sila natututo.
Natututo. But at least, good for you guys because you're one step closer at least.
But you want an interesting trivia. I don't know if you can agree with me on this. Your pets, yung attitude ng pets mo, reflection ng attitude mo. Tingnan mo, may maugali sila.
Well, I 100% agree with that because they matches your energy as well.
Totoo. I mean sa akin, halimbawa hinati ko yung 7, meron doon, halimbawa 3 maldita, check, 'di ba? Meron sobrang sweet, check, 'di ba? O meron yung sobrang alam mo siya, patient, parang friend na lahat, check. May mga ganung level.
Oh, really? Like, oh my gosh, like, that's true.
Diba?
Kasi sinubukan kong i-analyze ngayon yung mga fur babies ko na iba't iba sila ng personality. Pinaghati-hati silang personality mo.
Oo, totoo. At meron isa doon, masyadong shy. True.
Kasi
Minsan.
that's true
Oo. So, pag tinignan mo sila, parang, okay, you guys are the bits and pieces of myself and there's no reason why I couldn't love you for what you are.
Yeah. May favorite ka sa kanila kasi eto siya, totoo yun As much, di ba? That's why you also believe it.
Okay.
For parents, 14. So minsan sabihin mo na parang, hindi, pantay-pantay sila, mahal ko sila lahat. Pero yung totoo, ako personally, meron akong isa sa kanila. Pero you don't want that.
You don't want that. And if I may just share, limbawa, nung namatay nga si Miyuki dahil sobrang love ko yung cat na yon. Meron ako sana si I'm sorry. Pero may ranking kasi. Of course, it would always be, at the end of the day, I can say this fully, it would always be my first cat. I had my first cat during the pandemic. So, before dog, talaga ako. Kaya lang, since ang corgi, I have a corgi. Since magulo siya, hindi siya pwede sa condo ko. Because lalo na, medyo pag nagtampo yun, madumi lahat, di ba? Kakalatan niya lahat, sirain niya lahat. So, inibig ko siya, nilagay ko sa bahay. So, my first cat is a Russian Blue.
Wow.
So, siya, sabi ko nga, lola na to, pero sige go. Alam mo yun, ikaw ang pinakamaldita. Pero sa akin, ang bait-bait niya. Pero sa ibang tao talaga, iba siya. Oo, iba
Nananampal
talaga.
ba siya? Nananampal din.
Oo. Nangaaway lahat yun ng bagong dating. As in, lahat. So, ako sabi ko ganun, lahat ng mga tao sa bahay namin and my friends would say, ang maldita nung ano mo, pag tinignan ka lang, para alam mo yung minamata ka daw, ganyan. But I love her because she taught me how to be patient.
Wow.
Alam mo yun, na parang, twice na ako nakagat na Nay, is accidental dahil nahigaan ko siya on her first week sa akin.
Yeah.
'Di ba? The other one was that nag-Zoom call ako,
Yeah.
ini-interview ako, nag-aaway sila ng isang cat ko na bagong dating. Pag ganun ko, kasi parang ayan na, pupunta na siya, in-interview ako live on cam, kinagat ako. my hand, my finger was bleeding during an interview. And I couldn't even say, ouch! Alam mo yung parang, nakaganyan, na mahalata mo, naglilina ko, kumukuha ako ng ano. And right after I went to the hospital,
Yeah.
I was so angry, but then I realized, hindi niya gusto eh. And I think she felt it.
Yeah.
Because for quite some time, lumayo siya ng konti.
Yeah.
And then after mga 2 days, doon pa lang siya lumapit ulit.
Yeah.
But then again, that's her way of saying sorry.
Yeah.
Pero walang any special moment. Lumapit lang siya, waiting for me to pet her. Ako pa talaga, may utang na loob para i-pet siya. But then again,
Yeah.
ganon.
I love that.
The show must go on.
Yeah.
Kaya kung dinala ko yung mga cats ko dito, wala na.
True. ang ganda ng sinabi mo, Sir Mike, na yung mga fur babies natin, they will teach you life and they will teach you different lessons.
Totoo.
Kasi like example, kung paano mo i-approach yung life, dun minsan kung paano mo din i-approach yung mga fur babies mo eh. Like for example, meron kang isang furby. Ako in my case, meron akong isang aso na binigay ng isa sa mga and sobrang ayaw niya sa akin, introvert. Pero sinubukan ko siyang i-win. So parang yun yung bagay na tinuro niya rin sa akin na parang sa outside world, not just for sa mga pets ko. Outside world, kapag may isang may isang bagay na parang ayaw talaga sa akin, like if example, if I'll put it dun sa person outside na ayaw talaga sa akin, of course you don't wanna please everyone.
Yes.
You cannot please everyone. But may mga moments na parang I wanna win this person because may mga ganun tayo, di ba?
Yeah. Oo.
Na ayaw niya sa akin, I'll win you. Ganon. Parang you don't wanna please them but you just wanna win that person. May mga ganon. Parang yung ano na yun, parang yung fur baby ko na yun, tinuruan niya ako na huwag kang sumuko. Na if someone doesn't really want you, of course you don't want to push yourself sa buhay niya. Pero may chance for you to win that.
Ako, iba yung tinuro sa akin naman ng
Yeah.
fur babies ko on that note. Ako naman, they taught me to just let people be. Meaning, we can coexist. Hindi naman lahat ng fur babies ko, alam mo yon. Sobrang, sabi ko nga may introvert ako, tatakbo pag lalapit ako. Yung mga ganun, parang, I let you be. And then when you're ready, we can have the same space, but we don't have to fight.
Yeah.
Yun eh. We just enjoy the same space. We can take up space as we are.
Yeah.
And just let everyone be so that, alam mo yun, everyone feels seen, heard, felt, and celebrated.
I love this podcast. I really love this podcast. I'm learning a lot.
Ayun.
Thank you, Sir Mike. I'm really thankful. I mean, hindi pa tapos, pero lagi ako lagi simula nung umpisa pa lang natin nag-start, nagpapasalamat na ako because I'm learning a lot. Thank you so much for this opportunity, Sir Mike. This is worth the tattoo.
Hanggang kailan ba tayo magpapakita? Paki-zoom na nga to. Gagaling pa lang eh. Diba?
Sige, next natin. Last message. Tama lang din na nagpasalamat. Oh, well, lagi naman nagpapasalamat. But yeah, final message. This Pride Month, what do you want people to remember about love, identity, and connection?
Love, identity, and connection does not know any form of gender. So don't make it as an issue. So take it from your pets, diba? You can be yourself without having to judge yourself. Because the moment you judge yourself, others would judge you for it. But if you just see yourself through the eyes of your pets, you would never fall short of whatever standards they may be.
Can I get an amen up in here? Amen!
Diba?
A round of applause, everyone. Thank you, Sir Mike. I love it. I love that. I really love this episode. And I hope ma-invite ka namin sa next because I'm sure maraming magko-comment sa comment section natin sa mga gagawin pa nating mga podcast episodes, sa mga shorts na ilalabas din. Ang daming magre-request. Guys, ganito, comment kayo sa comment section if you wanna see more and if you want like a part 2 and more, whatever na gusto nyong pag-usapan namin ni Sir
Coaching
Mike.
for parents.
Coaching for parents, pwede rin. Or
Or
actually,
lessons from your
yes.
for baby.
Sir Mike, saan ka ba nila pwedeng ma-message? Like, where they can follow
Well,
you?
you can search online via www.coach-mikecelis.com, may website po ako, or just Google my name, Mike Celis, that's MYKECLIS, kasi very Google-friendly po ang pangalan natin.
Yes. It's MYKE Celis.
Yes.
Sir, sorry, bago tayo matapos, curiosity lang, kaano-ano mo si Kiray?
Ang dami na nagtanong sa akin yan, hindi ko po alam. Hindi ko po alam.
Hindi pa alam.
Oo.
Yes, I think that's it for this episode. And I know na marami tayong natutunan. Marami tayong in this episode, marami tayong conversation na you guys can relate. Marami po tayong mga bagay-bagay na ipagko-contemplate as well. At marami po tayong bagay na isi-celebrate. I wish you this month a happy Pride Month. Maging successful po ang ating Pride Month at kasama po ang ating mga Fair Little Allies. Let's celebrate love, the season of love, the whole year, not just this June, but the whole year and the next year to come. Can I get an amen up in here? Amen! Thank you, Sir Mike.
Let the music play.
That's it. Thank you, sir.